Hello, students. In this video, we're diving into an exciting topic, coordinate geometry. This branch of math uses algebra to solve geometric problems by placing points in a coordinate system. So let's start. A coordinate system is a way to describe a point's position using two axes, the x-axis and y-axis, which intersect at the origin, labeled 0, 0, 0. Each point's position is given by an ordered pair, A, B, with A showing the distance along the x-axis and B along the y-axis. Remember, AB is not the same as BA. Order matters here. A pair of numbers A and B listed in a specific order with A in the first place and B in the second place is called an ordered pair, AB. These axes divide the plane into four regions called quadrants. Here's a quick note on sign conventions. Coordinates are positive in the first quadrant, where both x and y values are positive. Let's try an example. The point, 3, 5, lies in the first quadrant because both values are positive, while -7, -9 is in the third quadrant since both values are negative. Lastly, any point on the x-axis will look like x0, since it has no distance from the x-axis, and points on the y-axis will look like 0, y, with no distance from the y-axis. So here's a quick question for you. Which quadrant would the point -3, 7 fall in? Share your answer, and let's keep exploring coordinate geometry together. Share your answer in the comments below. The complete curriculum for Class 9 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.